Hi there, I'm Eitan, and welcome back to the Wix Wiz. Today we're going to be talking all about affiliate programs and how to create affiliate links for people in your affiliate program so that when they share that link with friends and family, and then those people visit your site, both the affiliate and the visitor can either get discounts on products or be awarded points in their loyalty program. So if you're interested in learning how to set up something like that and more, let's get started. Okay, so before we get started with the actual coding and building of the system, I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page about what an affiliate program is and how affiliate marketing works in general. So an affiliate program is a way to basically convert your loyal customers, your loyal users into your own marketing team, essentially, by having them share your product or your website with their inner network. That could be friends, family, colleagues, whoever it may be. And then when that network comes and visits your website and there is a conversion, so this conversion can be either signing up or buying a product or some other conversion that you can think of, then the affiliate, who is your customer, will receive some kind of compensation. So maybe they'll get 10% off a future purchase, or they'll get points towards some kind of point system. And very often as well, the person from their network who was converted will also get some kind of compensation. And that is basically the incentive for them to do that. So basically, the way it works is the affiliate is incentivized by this kind of reward that they're going to get, and their friend is often also incentivized by some kind of reward. So let's say I give you a link or a code, and then I say, okay, share this with your friends. Each person who uses this link to sign up to our website will get 10% off their first purchase, and you will get also 10% off your next purchase. And that way, every single person is motivated to do this. And I think it's quite a popular model now. So you might have seen it in some way or another, just as a customer or user of different services. And now you want to utilize something like this for your business. And we're going to talk about how you can do this on your Wix website. And we're going to talk about different approaches to it and different ways that it can be built out depending on how you want to allow your customers to share it with their network and how you want to define a conversion and how you want to compensate the people. So now that we've covered this overview of what an affiliate program is, let's hop in and actually start building this out on our website. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a new page here. And this is going to be our affiliate sign up page, or a page where affiliates can join the site. So I'm going to say affiliate sign up. Say done. Just want to check and make sure that the URL makes sense. Affiliate sign up. Excellent. Okay. So what are we going to do on this page? This is the page where we're going to let people sign up for our affiliate program. And again, there are different ways that you can set this up. So you can have all your users automatically join the affiliate program. And when they're creating their original membership, then they'll have a section on their profile which will be dedicated to this automatically. So that's one approach to it. But I'm going to be showing you how to implement this as an add-on. So people sign up to be members in one place and they join the affiliate program in another place. So to join the affiliate program, what we're going to need to do is we are going to need to collect the person's information, and we are going to need to generate their unique code or their unique URL, which they're going to share with other people. So to be honest, if you already have a membership built into your website, you don't really need to collect additional information about your users because you already have their email and their first name, last name, whatever they're using to sign up for their membership. So you could pretty much just add one big button here that would just add them to the affiliate program. I'm going to build out a form which will also register someone to the website and also add them to the affiliate program. So I'm going to assume that they're not a member yet, but they are going to become a member and then join the affiliate program. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add a input element. And it's going to be a simple text input. And then I'm going to copy that over and add one more under it. And I'm going to also add, that'll be it. We'll just do email and password. We'll keep it simple. And we're going to have a button for joining the affiliate program. Awesome. So this is going to be, as I said, email. Change this to email and just email over here. And this is going to be for the password. So this is going to be a password, and I'm going to change this to password. Yeah, so Wix does this weird thing where you can't actually write the word password here. See how it gets cut off? I might be able to write it in as the title. Let's try that out. Yeah, it doesn't let you write password as the placeholder. Okay, so that's just something to note. We'll leave an empty placeholder for the password. This is obviously not focusing very much on aesthetics. And here we're going to have a button which is just join, to join the affiliate program. And after someone joins the affiliate program, they are going to get a link which they can then share with other people. So I'm going to create a text element. And it's just going to be a regular paragraph here. And this is where we're going to show people their link once they are going to the affiliate program. So I'm going to just add this in link. And this is like how I like to mark that this is not the actual thing that will be displayed on the site, but we're actually going to be displaying data here, and the data is going to be the link. And I'll just center that text so it's a little more aesthetic. Awesome. So now let's deal with how we are going to register the member. So we're going to use the Wix Members app. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the Members app over here. Member Wix Members area. We go ahead and add that to the site. And I'm adding the Members app because this is also going to be a prerequisite for one of the ways of compensation, which I'm going to discuss later on. Okay, so we added in the member area, and I'm just going to go back to our affiliate sign up page. And we're going to add some code which will register the member once they sign up. And we can go here to the documentation and we can look for Wix members front end. And we're going to have authentication and registering. Maybe we need to do that in the backend. So Wix members backend. And then here we have authentication, register. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this code over. And I'm going to create a backend file, which will be members. And I'm going to paste that code right over there. Awesome. So now what we have here is let's change this to register member, this function that we're exporting from the backend. Zoom in a little bit. And basically what this does is it takes email, password, and options, and it registers the member using that email and password, and then it returns the registration result. Okay, and this is what the promise resolves to. Something like this. So you have the member ID, you have the contact ID, which is also something that we're going to need to use later on. Okay, awesome. So what we're going to do here now is I'm going to import this function into the front end. I'm going to go to affiliate sign up. Let's close this. Oh, and awesome. So now we're going to create a function which will register the member when they click the join button. So I'm going to create a new function. So it's going to be an async function. register. And on top here, I'm going to import the function from the backend. So register member from backend/members. And what we're going to do when we have this register function called is we're going to get the value of the email and the password. So here we're going to have email, and we're going to have password. And so I'm going to say const, let's move this up a little bit, const email equals email dot value, const password equals to password dot value. And then what we're going to do is we are going to call this register member function. So const registered member equals await register member. And we're going to pass in the email and password. Remember, this can also take options, but we're not passing in any options. I'm really leaving this registration process very, very simple, just because this is not the main focus of this tutorial. So I really just want to have a basic setup so we can talk a little bit more about how the affiliate works. And then everything is going to work when we press this join button. So I'm just going to select that, and I'm going to add an on-click event listener. So select join button dot on click, and we're going to register. Okay, so we have our basic registration set up. I'll just add a log here. Registered member, registered member. Okay, so now we have the registration set up. Let's talk a little bit more about how we actually make them an affiliate. Because this is not just regular registration, because that we could just do using the Wix sign up, the built-in sign up. This is somebody signing up to be an affiliate. So when somebody becomes an affiliate, what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to generate them some kind of unique code. And this code is the code that we're going to identify this affiliate by. So we can either use some kind of data from their registered member. For example, we can use, their ID or their contact ID, but we could also generate another random number. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to import number or string, and I'm going to import a package that I like using called UUID. UUID. I'm going to install that npm package, and I'm going to use UUID4. I'm going to copy this line right over here, and I'm going to import that right over here. So now we also have to make a decision about where we want all this to happen. And in general, we could set up in the front end or we could set it up in the back end. The back end being more secure and giving us more control over permissions and stuff like that. For now, I'm going to set it up in the front end just so visually everything is in the same place. But typically, I would probably set this up in the back end on an actual production site. So cool. So now we have this UUID, and now we want to generate a random string, but this UID will be very long. Okay, it'll look something like one of these, and that's just a little too complicated for what we need. So I really just want to take the first 8 characters here from this UUID. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say we're going to create a new function. And this is going to be generate affiliate. Okay. And I might change that name later on, but for now, that's going to be the name. And I'll say const affiliate code will be equal to, and then I'm going to create a new UUID v4. And then what I'm going to do is, so I said I wanted to Okay, so I'm going to take this one line down. Let's go const UUID. It's going to be this. And the affiliate code is going to be the UUID dot substring, so only part of that string. And the substring will be 08. I always forget if 8 means it'll have 8 characters total, or it's up to the 8th character, so we'll find out about that very soon. And then I'm also going to do to uppercase, okay, just to make it uppercase. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to store all of this information in in a collection for our affiliates. So I'm going to create a new collection. And this is going to be affiliates. And I'm just going to check the permissions because we're handling this on the front end. So anyone can view content. I'm going to change it also to anyone can add content for now. Again, that's one of the the downsides of handling this on the front end. And only the admin can delete or update content. Okay, so that's what we're going to have here in terms of the settings. And here we're going to store the email. We're going to store the email. And we will store the member ID. Member ID. I'm also going to store their contact ID, just so I have everything that I need right here inside of this collection. And we're also going to store 2 more things. So one will be their code. I'm just going to call it code. And I'm also going to add their link. Okay, and this will be a URL. Okay, and this will be their link. Awesome. So now that we have this collection built out, what I'm going to do is that once the member is created, we're going to generate the affiliate, and we're going to add this affiliate to the collection. So to do that, I'm going to need to import Wix data. And then once we have this affiliate code, what I'm going to do is I am going to say const, let's say inserted affiliate equals to await Wix data. And this needs to be an asynchronous function now. Await Wix data dot insert. And we're inserting into the affiliates collection. And what we're going to be inserting is our affiliate object. Okay, so here we're going to have const affiliate. And this is going to be equal to. And here we're going to need the data from our new registered member. So there's different ways that we can handle it. We can have several functions that kind of unite everything together. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pass this registered member into this affiliate. Oh, okay. My laundry is done. So I'm going to go get my laundry and then I'll be back. Okay, so I am back and we have another 45 minutes before I have to take everything out of the dryer. So where were we? We were registering the member. Okay, so what I decided was that we're going to pass this registered member object into this function, and then we're going to be able to use it over here when we're generating the affiliate. So let's just remember what the things are that we need from the affiliate. So we need the email. Okay, and let's just make sure that we get that over here. Okay, so we don't get that here, so that means that I'm going to need to pass in the email as well. So here we can pass in the registered member, and we can also pass in the email. And then here the email will be just the email, and the member ID will be registered member dot member.id. Okay, so registered member.member.id, and the contact ID will be the member.contact ID, registered member.member.contact ID, and then we also need the code. So that's the code, and that will be the affiliate code. One last thing that we need, which we didn't talk about yet, is the link. So let's talk about how we're going to generate that link. So that link is going to be the URL to our site. In order to get the URL to our site, so you could just go to your kind of site and get the URL and put it in. So that's kind of hard coding it in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little more dynamic. That way, if for some reason, the URL of your site changes, for example, you go from a unpaid site to a premium site, or something like that, or you're using your unpaid site and you change the URL of your unpaid site, which is something that can happen, it won't break your entire code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import Wix location front end. For those of you who haven't noticed, a lot of the modules have changed their name. So from now on, the modules that are meant to be used in the front end have this front end added, whereas previously it just used to be the back end ones said back end, but the front end ones didn't say front end. So now these say front end as well. I think the old ones still work. So if you just did, let's say, import Wix location from, like, this and this is essentially the same thing at the moment, but that might change in the future. So if you're writing new code, you should definitely be using the one that says front end at the end. And now we're going to create that link over here. So I'm going to say const affiliate link equals to. And here we're going to have Wix location frontend dot URL. Okay, so this gets, sorry, dot base URL. And base URL basically gets everything except for the specific path of this of this uh, of this page. So it won't have, if this page is the affiliate sign up page, it'll have the domain, but it won't have that kind of path of affiliate sign up page. And what we're going to add after that is we're going to add a media query. Okay, and a media query is a way to basically append information to a URL that won't directly influence where you're navigating to. So if we take a look here at this URL up here, just for example, so we have editor.wix.com/html /editor/ okay, so that really changes the place that you're navigating to, theoretically. But if we add something like a query, which is what you see over here, so meta site ID, that's a query. So that technically doesn't change where we're navigating to. It might change the behavior of the page that we're navigating to. So that is what what a query is. And that is where we're going to be storing this affiliate code in the URL. This is not the only way to do it. You could also add it as a path, but I think that this is a more flexible, common way of doing it. But yeah, as these things go, there are usually more than one way of doing it. And the way to add the query is by adding question mark, and then we have to name the query. So I'm going to call it affiliate, and then you have the equal sign, and then you add in whatever the query is, which in our case is the affiliate code. Okay? And just remember that if for some reason you have multiple queries here, for example, I don't know, you wanted to add some more information beyond just the affiliate code, additional queries are added using the and sign. So let's say, where's the and sign? And another query equals something, and then and another query equals something. Okay, so everything after the first one uses the ampersand sign, and you can see that here as well. Here, you see this and over here. I know it's a little small, maybe you don't see it, but anyway. So that is how we are going to how we're going to generate the affiliate link, and I'm going to add this here as well. So link will be the affiliate link. Okay, and then once we have this inserted affiliate, so we're going to insert affiliate, and here I'm going to pass in the affiliate, and then here I'm going to console.log inserted affiliate, and then I am going to also have here the inserted affiliate, of course, and then I'm going to get the link from this inserted affiliate, and then we're going to display it here in this link text. So I'm just going to say link text, and here we're going to say linked text dot text equals to, and here we're going to have inserted affiliate dot link, which should be the exact same as this link. Okay, it should be the exact same. I just prefer take the actual stored data instead of using what we have up here. And one last touch that I'm going to add to this link text is that I'm also going to have it navigate to the link when it's clicked. Okay, so in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an on-click event, so link text dot on-click, and then I'm going to navigate to Wix location frontend dot to, and then we're going to have affiliate inserted affiliate dot link. Okay, so that should go to that actual page um, once we click on the link. One more thing to note here is that I currently built the link so that it goes to the home page of the website. But you may want to navigate to a specific page of the website. So for example, you want the affiliate links to take people directly to sign up or directly to a product or something like that, then you would have to add that in over here. Okay, so you'd have to add in your path. So like for example, product page, and then have this, okay? But I'm going to show you why it's not, even no matter what place they navigate to on your site, even if they move around on your website, we're still going to have a record of the fact that they came to your website using this affiliate link. So it's not really a matter of not kind of losing that information. It's really just a matter of what action you're expecting them to take as soon as they visit the site, and that's where you're going to send them. Okay, and you should understand a little more once we actually get to that part. And here we just need to remember to call the generate affiliate function and pass in the registered member and pass in the email. Okay, everything looks good. Obviously, I expect bugs as we do testing because that's how things are. But in terms of a setup, I'm feeling good. I didn't set up some other standard things that I would typically set up in form, like error handling and validation and a success message and the loader and all that. That's not our focus at the moment. We have other tutorials about doing stuff like that. So now it's really just a very basic setup. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to publish. This is something that you're going to have to test on your live site. So let's go ahead and view the live site, which is currently called My Site 20, which I don't really like so much. So I'm going to see if I can change that. And we'll do this affiliate. Awesome. Save and continue. And publish that again. View site. Awesome. Affiliate program. So here we have the homepage of the affiliate program, but I want to go to our affiliate sign up. Awesome. So this is the page where we are going to sign up as an affiliate. Here, one thing that I forgot to do was to hide the link. Okay, so we can go over here, and we can have this link hidden by default. So I'm going to go and hide it. And then what we can do is that after we change the text to be the link, we can show the link. Or we can even do it after we add the on-click event. So I'm going to add the link text here, dot show. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and publish that change and refresh right over here. And refresh again. Awesome. So let's sign up. So here I'm going to have team plus tester1 at thewixwiz.com. And we're going to just have a password of tester1. And I'm going to go ahead and join. Wow, it worked the first time. Okay, that's very exciting. So let's take a look here at the console. I'm very pleased. Okay, so here we have the member object, which came back after we registered the member. And here we have the affiliate link. And you can see here that if I clicked on the link, it took us to the home page, and our query is here inside of the link. Okay, so that is how to generate the affiliate link. And let's just go and check out our collection, just so you can see how it looks in there. So I'm going to open up the affiliates collection. And you can see here, okay, title we actually don't need. So I'm going to change this to the primary and get rid of the title because I hate just having like an empty field. And yeah, so here we could see the member ID. The contact ID did not save. Okay, so that's something that didn't happen that I was expecting. So let's check out why the contact didn't save. I hope I didn't lose I did. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is I'm gonna I have to log out. This still says log in. Oh, interesting. So I didn't log in the member as soon as they were registered. Let's see. Uh, Register, login. Okay, so we're going to have to add this as well. It looks like we could do it in the back end. Resolves to a session token. I think it'll be easier to do this in the front end. I'll log that member in. Again, this really doesn't have to do directly with the affiliate thing. It's just kind of a cool. Okay, so let's copy that. And we're going to add that in. I still don't know why the contact ID didn't save, so we'll check that out in a second. But let's first add this stuff over here. So I'm going to add another function. I'm going to call it login. So async function login. Let's put the code that I just copied into that function. This needs to go on top. And here, so this is a function that'll take email and password. So email and password. And I don't want this to have that then, I just want async await. So I'm going to say await authentication.login. Get rid of all this. And then we can call this function over here. So after we have the registered member, I'll just say await, or we could do it after we generate the affiliate as well. So I can do await login, then email and password. So let's publish this and try that again. And this time we'll also try and identify why our contact ID didn't save. So I'm going to have here team plus tester2 at ewixwiz.com. And here we're going to have the password of tester2. Go ahead and click join. Okay, cool. So you see it logged the member in now. This changed to be logged in. But let's check out the console and see inserted affiliate, registered member. So we have the member. Okay, interesting. So it didn't register It didn't register a contact automatically, which I thought that it would based on the documentation. Um, cool, 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 cool. Authentication, register. Only people I provide you. No, no, no. Registering a member in the backend always creates a new contact, even if the contact with the specified email already exists. Okay. The registration options. Oh, okay. This is probably why, because I ignored the options. So I'll add that in. Cool. Okay, so we don't have first name, last name, so I'm just going to use the email. And this should be a list of all the emails. So basically, it should look like, I don't know if they have an example here. Hmm. Yeah, they definitely have one in the contact documentation. So contact, um, emails. So this is what the emails object needs to look like. So basically it's an array and each object has just the key email and then the actual email itself. So we're going to do that over here. So I'm going to add that, say, const options equals to, and then here we're going to have contact info, and then we're going to have emails. It's just going to be an array with an object email and the email. So basically that. Uh, cool. Not too complicated. And then we just need to pass in the options over here and publish that. And we'll have our third test just to make sure we have everything we need. First, I'm going to log out, and refresh. Awesome. Hard refresh. Awesome. Okay, so here we have now team plus tester3 at the wixwiz.com. And here we have tester3. And join. Oh, I broke something. Oh no, it was working so nicely. um, see where I broke it. Wix members, backend, authentication, register. Email password options, contact info, emails. Ah, wait. Okay, so I had assumed that this format should be the same as the format for the append and create contact. But here it says list of contacts email addresses. It just says an array of string, not an array of objects. So that means that this maybe should just be this. Let's try that. which would be a little confusing because there's a slight lack of consistency there. But that does happen sometimes in large bodies of documentation and modules that might have been developed by different people. Okay, so let's try that again. So I'm going to say team plus tester3 at the wixwiz.com. And here we're going to have tester3 and join. Hey, that was the problem. So that's why reading the documentation and not being assuming is important. And let's just see. Oh, well, it still didn't create a contact. Hmm, that's a bummer. Okay, so I don't want to take more time on trying to figure out why it's not creating a contact. I'm sure there is a reason why it isn't doing that. We could also go, what we could do is we could check out the dashboard. Check out our dashboard. And see if any contacts have been generated and it's just not passing us the contact ID, or if there really are no contacts being generated. Okay, so it did generate contacts each time, so it just wasn't passing back the contact ID, which is unpleasant, but I don't think there's much that we can do about it. So in order to get the contact, we'd have to do something else. So for now, I'm just going to glaze over that, and then when we get to a point where we actually need the contact ID, then we'll figure out how to get it. So awesome. So we have our affiliate now saved in the collection. And what we're going to do is we are going to now talk about how to handle somebody visiting the site with that link. Okay, so you created the link for the person, and now they take that link and they go ahead and they share it with their friends, and their friends use that link to visit the site. Okay, and this is something that's going to happen. So they're going to reach our homepage, but I'm actually going to add this code to our master page. Okay, so I'm going to go to master page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to detect the queries of the URLs from the master page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to import Wix location frontend. And then we are going to get the query from the URL. So const affiliate equals to, and then we have here the Wix location frontend dot query dot affiliate. Okay, another thing that we can do is we can actually just kind of grab it like this. Okay, because basically when we use Wix location dot query, it'll give us an object with all of the queries and the respective keys and values of the queries. And I really only want the affiliate one. Okay, and then we can add here console.log affiliate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and publish that just to show you what this looks like. I'm going to try and publish. As always, this is where I get to say, if you have been watching until now, then maybe you like this video, so you might want to go ahead and give a thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to see more like it, then you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and see different Wix tutorials and other Wix related, web development related videos. Oh no, every week. Yeah, so go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you have any questions, then that would go in the comment section or on our forum. A technical issue now. Does that mean that my internet is down? It says I have internet. Okay, give me a second, I'll be back. So I've published successfully now, and we can head over to the live site. And I'm going to copy this URL of my most recent affiliate. And you can see here that we have the affiliate code being logged here inside of the console. And now what we want to do is we want to store this code inside of our session. And that means that no matter which page we navigate to, we will still have this code accessible. So in order to do that, we're going to need to import a session from Wix storage, Wix from Wix storage front end. And then I'm going to say if affiliate, then session dot set item, and I'm going to have here affiliate and affiliate. Okay, and then we can also navigate to any page of the site, and we can see that if we have the affiliate, then we're going to set the item as affiliate, and cool. Okay, that's fine for now. And now we want to think about what we want to do with this affiliate. Okay, so one thing that we can do is to see if somebody signs up as a member of the site using this affiliate code. Okay, so let's take that first example and let's deal with that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so in order to handle this, we will need to create a custom registration for our website. Okay, we won't be able to use our the Wix login or the Wix signup. But since we kind of already built a system which is very similar, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate. Sorry, I'm going to duplicate this page, and this will be member sign up. Okay, and the only difference here will be that if somebody signs up here with, I'm just going to add a title here so I can add here member sign. Okay, so email password, join. We're not going to be showing an affiliate link because there's no affiliate here. And we can get rid of the affiliate part. So we don't need to generate affiliate here, but we're going to need another function to check if we have an affiliate associated with the affiliate code that the person used to sign up. So what we're going to do here, make some changes here to the function. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, and instead of generate affiliate, so I'm going to get rid of all the internal part of this function. And what we're going to do is we're going to say check for, so we could check for an affiliate, and we can say, I think of a good name for this function, because basically what this function is going to be doing is it's going to see if we have an affiliate code stored inside of our session. And then if there is an affiliate code in our session, then we are going to query our affiliates database, find that affiliate, and give them some kind of tracking. We're going to track the fact that somebody has registered using their affiliate code. So we're going to call this track affiliation. Beautiful. And we're going to need a collection. So I'm going to add a collection, and I'm going to say affiliate tracking. It's going to have multiple items. And what this collection is going to do is we're going to have here add a field. So I will say, let's see, I'm going to have Let's have the information of the person that registered. Okay, so let's have um, registrant email. Okay, and we can have also the registrant member ID. And we can have the affiliate. So this is going to be, I'm going to add here multi-reference, and we'll have here affiliate. Sorry, field name affiliate, yeah, and reference collection will be affiliates. Awesome. This let's make primary, get rid of this title. And what we could do is we can also add one field for the code. And the reason I'm adding this is just, let's say in the future we give affiliates the ability to change their code. So the association with the affiliate would stay the same, but here we'd have a record of what code they used. Or maybe we have an affiliate that has multiple codes and they're compensated in different ways for using different codes. So that's why I think it's just a good idea to keep track of that as well. And this is a little particular to this case scenario. So where the person using the code is registering as a new member, you might want to track different information depending on what your conversion is. So yeah, just note that. So track affiliation. Okay, I just want to make sure that here, permissions and privacy, anyone can add content. Okay. Again, something typically that I would handle in the back end, but just visually for this purposes of this tutorial, I'm doing it on the front. And zoom in one. Awesome. So let's handle the code that will actually track the affiliation. So first we have to check and see if we have any kind of affiliate code. So what we're going to do is I'm going to import a session from Wix storage frontend. And here inside of track affiliation, I'm going to say const affiliate equals to, I could change this to affiliate code, equals to session dot get item. And then here we need to pass in the name of the item, which is affiliate. Okay, and now I'm going to say if no affiliate code, return. Okay, so if there's no affiliate code, then go ahead and return, meaning exit this function, don't do anything else. If there is a code, I'm going to say const inserted track track log equals to await wix data dot insert, and here we're going to have affiliate tracking. I'm just going to double check that that is affiliate tracking, and you can also copy the collection ID over here. So you just go boom. Yeah, awesome. And here we need to pass in an object, which is going to be all the things that we said before. So const tracking log equals, and here we have an object. So we have the email, which is actually called something else here. It's called the registrant email. And here we're going to have the registrant member ID. I think that's, yeah, registrant member ID. Awesome. And this will be registered member.member.id. And we said we were going to also insert the affiliate. So that's something we're going to have to do after we already create the track log, but we could log the code already. So I'm going to have here the code, and this is going to be the affiliate code. And then we're going to insert that over here. So tracking log. Awesome. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say await Wix data dot insert reference into the affiliate tracking collection. And we're going to be using the property name of affiliate. And the referring item is going to be the inserted tracking log.id. And the referenced item is going to be the affiliate, which we will need to retrieve. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm going to need to have a query. So I'm going to say const affiliates query result equals await Wix data dot query query affiliates, and then here we're going to have that's it, affiliates dot equals code equals affiliate code. Find, and then we're going to say const affiliate equals to affiliate query result dot items 0. Okay, because there should only be one affiliate per code. If not, then we have a big problem. Awesome, and then here affiliates dot ID. Awesome. So that is cool. And yes, then here instead of generate affiliate, we can do track affiliation. Awesome. Registered member. That's this. Cool. Yeah, so I think that should work. So let's go ahead and give that a spin. So we don't need any of this. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and publish. And let's go to our live site. And I'm going to log out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the sign up page. Oh, to double check what the URL is. Probably like a copy of something, something, something. Member sign up. Settings. SEO basics. Sign up. Oh no. I don't think it'll let me change it because we already published the site. That's annoying. Cool. Let's see. Sign up. Oh, it did. Oh, but weird. Why is this over here? What? Um, how did that happen? Maybe that has to do with the site not saving before. But here we have the member sign up and that, and we don't need this link here. Awesome. Publish that. Okay, so now basically what we're simulating is that a member, a new person, okay, so somebody who's new to this site got this link from their friend Tester3, and they visit the site, and it could be that they visited any page of the site. It could be they visited the home page first. It could be they visited this page first. And now the query is still there. But I can go ahead and I can even get rid of this query now, okay? Because we already stored this in session. And then I'm going to go and create a new user. I'm going to register. So let's say team plus tester4 at gmail.com. Sorry, at the wixwiz.com. And here we're going to have tester4. Go ahead and click join. console. User does not have permissions to update on the affiliate tracking collection. Okay, so that's a good point. So basically, um, I didn't set the update permissions for this. So this would need to be anyone. Yeah, so this is not a very secure application at the moment, but for demonstration purposes, it's okay. Cool. So I'm going to go back and try this again. So I think it probably did insert, like if we go to the affiliate tracking, we'll see that it did, so it did track. It just didn't log who the affiliate is. Okay, but generally the whole concept of logging the, who registered works. Um, cool. Okay, so let's talk about, because I'm quite confident it'll work now, let's talk a bit about how we can compensate the both sides, essentially. So one way that we can compensate the person signing up is by using a coupon. Okay, so what we could do is that when we are generating our affiliate, we can also automatically generate coupons that are associated with that code. Okay, so that's one thing that we can do. And in terms of compensating the affiliate, what we could do is we can utilize something like the Wix loyalty program. Okay, so Wix loyalty, we have it here. So this is still a V2 API, which means that, oh, the dryer's done. I'll finish explaining this and then I'll go get my stuff from the dryer. So basically, um, this is still a developer's preview. If you see .v2, it's a developer preview. That means that this is something that can still change. Usually, based on what I saw, I don't remember where I saw this, but somewhere it did say that things only stay as a developer preview for about 6 months before they're released. And this has been a developer preview for quite a while, so there's a high chance that within the next month or two, this will already not be version 2. So technically now we shouldn't be using this in a production environment. Production means on a real site with real users for your business. But since I do foresee this going into being production ready in the near future, I am going to use this in the tutorial so that if you do want to use it when it is ready, then you can go ahead and use it because I think that it is a perfect API for this scenario. And basically, the loyalty program is a way for people to kind of accrue points, which can be used to redeem different coupons and different rewards on your site. So it's pretty much like built for this purpose. It's very, it's really a perfect marriage between this and the affiliate system. So we're going to talk about how to automatically generate a coupon when you are creating your affiliate. So that's going to take us back one step. And then we're going to talk about how to award points using the Wix loyalty system once a person actually converts using the affiliate links. That's what we just dealt with now. So I'll be back in one moment and we're going to deal with that. So let's start talking about how to automatically generate a coupon when somebody signs up for the affiliate program. So in order to do that, we are going to be using this API, so the Wix Marketing Backend, and you'll see there's a section called Coupons, and we can create a coupon. And we need to pass in certain information about the coupon, so the name, the code, start date, expiration date, usage limit, limited to one per item, limited to one per customer, etc. And then we can also define what service it can be used for. So if it could be used for Wix stores or Wix back or Wix bookings or something like that. And we can also define what type of coupon it is. So here there's a money off amount, but could also be a percentage-based discount. If we take a look over here, so we can coupon type. No, where is it? One second. Scope. money off amount, percentage off rate. I think you have to pick one of these. You have to pick one of these. So either money off amount, percentage off rate, fixed price amount, buy X, get Y, free shipping, etc. I think it mentions it here somewhere in the documentation as well. Yeah. When creating a coupon, the specified coupon info object must contain one value for exactly one of the following. So one of these five is how you define what the actual discount is. So let's set up a basic coupon just for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to copy over this boilerplate code just to save us a little time. I'm going to head to the back end of our website, and I'm going to create a module called coupons. And I'm going to paste the code that I just copied over. And we need to do some customization here because we're going to be creating the coupon using a affiliate code. Okay, so inside this create coupon function, I'll say create coupon for affiliate because we might have other coupons that we're creating on our site for other purposes. And here we're going to have the affiliate code, and then here the name will be, let's say for example, affiliate coupon, and the code will be the affiliate code. And then in terms of dates and stuff like that, I think if I don't set an expiration time, it just won't expire, which is probably what I want to do for this demonstration at least. Let's see, start time, optional. Okay, so I'm going to take away expiration time. Usage limit. So this really depends on your affiliate program. So, let's say you have an affiliate program that's like invite 3 friends or something like that, then you'll use 3 here. But if it's something that's unlimited, then you can probably just get rid of the usage limit. Yeah, just get rid of that, and then there won't be any limit, and an affiliate can invite as many people as they want. Really depends on your program. And limited to one item, so that would mean that they could probably only use that for one of the items in the cart, let's say. Let's see. Indicates whether the coupon is limited to one discount per order. Lowest price item will be discounted. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of documentation there for the coupon, so you could probably read that and find the exact combination that works for what you're doing for your business. But this works because the demonstration I want to do is with stores, and we're going to do a percentage off. Okay, so I want to use percentage off, so that will be, um, where is that here? Percentage off rate. Copy that over, change that over here, and that's also a number. Okay, so they're going to get 10% off. Okay, and then we're going to create this coupon here. And we don't actually need to do anything with this coupon because this coupon will exist in the system. And whenever somebody applies a coupon with that amount, with this code, sorry, then it'll give them the discount. Okay, so that's what we have here. And we can use this function in the front end of our affiliate sign up. Okay, so then here, after we've, let's say, inserted the affiliate over here, what we could do is we could say, await create coupon for affiliate. And this is something we're going to need to import up here on top. So I'm going to say import create coupon for affiliate from Wix, from backend/coupons. And then here, all we need to do is pass in our affiliate. Okay. Awesome. So now that we've created the coupon, and again, I would probably take 90% of this function and move it to the backend. Okay, so if you're developing this for your actual site, do this all in the backend and just import it as a function. And yeah, so now that we've created the coupon for the affiliate, let's create a scenario where we actually use that coupon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the Wix Stores app. Stores, the site. And while that's being added in, so we could take a look here at the Wix. Let's search for Wix stores. So Wix stores front end. And let's see, cart, apply coupon. Okay, so basically what we could do is when somebody goes to the cart page and they have an affiliate code in their session, we're gonna look for that coupon. We don't actually have to look for the coupon because the affiliate code is the same as the coupon code. So we just need to use this code snippet to apply that coupon to the checkout. Okay, so let's go and see if our site is finished baking. Almost. This is the time to go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you'd like, and yeah, you can leave a comment. If you've gotten this far, then you have persistence because we've been going for close to 2 hours now. Okay, cool. So we have Wix stores on the site, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the cart page, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some code, and we're going to get the, so here we're going to import Wix, no, import session from Wix storage front end. And then here we're going to say, let's say function apply affiliate coupon. And what this function is going to do, it's going to say const affiliate equals to, oh no, wait, sorry, affiliate code equals to session dot get item affiliate. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to apply the coupon using this code. So I'm going to copy over this boilerplate code, paste it, and we don't need all of this. That example, and move this import to the top level. And then we can just have here console.log coupon discount. Typically, I would convert this to async await, but for now, I'm going to leave it as is. And here, instead of coupon code, we're just going to pass in the affiliate code. And then we can run this function as soon as the person reaches the page. So I'm going to run this apply affiliate coupon. And this has a slight disadvantage of not really giving the person the choice if they want to apply the coupon or not. So basically, if somebody went to the site, they select a few items, they go to the cart page, it'll apply their coupon. And let's say they want to go back, they want to add more items, they want to clear their cart. So that might create some problems for them. So depending on how you want to award this coupon, one thing you could do is either give them the affiliate code as a coupon code and not only as the URL, and then they can go ahead and display that. They can go ahead and put that in whenever they decide to check out in the regular coupon code kind of input area. Or you can create a button that says apply affiliate. You can create different kind of workarounds to give the person checking out a little more control. But this is like the more simple approach. So I'm going to start with that. And awesome. So let's publish. And what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and go to our affiliate sign up. And we don't have any members logged in now. You can see we have the Wix stores installed. Okay, so I'm going to sign up a new affiliate, and this should create a coupon. So let's go ahead and say team plus coupon at the wixwiz.com. And this will have the password of coupon. And I'm going to go ahead and click join. Awesome. So now we have this affiliate link. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the affiliate link. Oh, and now we're at this new site. Oh, wow, cool. Thanks for sharing, my friend coupon. And I'm logged out now. So let's go to the page for um, member, just sign up. Sign up. And now let's call this team plus friend, friend at thewixwiz.com. And we'll have password just friend and go ahead and click join. And what's the problem now? Current user not have permissions to update. Oh, okay. So if you guys remember the problem with the affiliate tracking, so the insertion, because it's a multi-reference field, it basically does insertion into both collections. So the person has to have permissions to update on both. This isn't an issue for this demonstration because the coupon should have been created anyways. Because the coupon, we can double check. So let's go here to our marketing and SEO. Let's go to marketing and SEO. It should be in marketing. Did they move where the coupons are? Oh, maybe I need to. I could swear it used to be in marketing. Loyalty and referrals. No. This is the referral program that we're going to use soon. Marketing. Oh, here, coupons. Why didn't I see it before? It wasn't there before, right? Can everybody confirm that, please? Okay, so it didn't add the new coupon, so that's not good. Let's double check here in our page code, affiliate sign up. Yeah, so basically this was here after this insert affiliate. So this did not run. This line of code didn't run because we had an error for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to change the permissions here for the for this collection to allow updates on the collection. And again, this is not how I recommend setting it up. I do recommend setting it up with everything handled on the back end. Okay, so that should deal with that now. So I'm going to go ahead and publish. And we're going to go ahead and try this again. So I'm going to go to get rid of that and go to affiliate sign up. And we're going to sign up again. So we're going to have here refreshed. Awesome. So I'm going to have team plus coupon 2 at thewixwiz.com. And here we're going to have just coupon 2 as the password. So I'm going to go ahead and click join. And awesome, console. Let's see if we have any errors here. No errors here. Okay, awesome. So let's go to the URL. And, oh, that's not where the error was to begin with. The error was in no, but wait. Coupon was generated. I'm sorry. That's not true. I said something not true before. Affiliate sign up, inserted affiliate, await create coupon for affiliate. Let's see. Coupons. Is it something not true before? Let's see. Const coupon equals, and then let's console.log coupon. And I'm also going to put this in a track patch. just see what the error is. Okay, cool. And make sure that we don't have a coupon here. Oh, I was so shocked that it didn't create a coupon because it was really such a simple implementation. Okay, basically, so the default was shows coupons manually. So that's coupons that I go ahead from the dashboard and I create. But to see the coupons that we create through Velo and apps, then we'd have to either go to Velo and apps or go to all. Okay, so the coupons were created successfully. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Great. So that means that I don't need to do anything else. I just need to log out here. We have this affiliate code here, and I'm going to go to we can even get rid of this because that's it. I visited the site. It's saved now in session, and I can just go to the sign up page. And now I can say team plus friend 2 at thewixwiz.com. And then here we have friend 2, and go ahead and click join. There we go, logged in successfully because I see here that this changed status. Okay, so now we dealt with all those errors in the back end. And what we could do now is go and browse the store. Let's see, the cart is empty, so how do I get to the store now? I would need to go to category all products, I think. Let's see. Yeah, awesome. And now let's just add some stuff to our cart. Add this in. Choose a color. Add to cart. Awesome. Let's choose another product. I'm so happy my friend sent me this store. It's awesome. And I'm going to get 10% off. Size. Wow, this is great. Okay, let me go check out. So view cart. And boom. Promo code affiliate coupon added in automatically thanks to my good friend Coupon2. And you can see that it gave me 10% off the cheapest item. Okay, so it's a pretty cheap affiliate program. Uh, not so snazzy, but it worked. Okay, so that is one implementation option for the affiliate program. Um, and now we have to deal with how we are going to compensate our affiliates. Okay, so in terms of compensating the affiliates, you could compensate them directly. So you have your tracker and you know how many people joined or how many people converted for each kind of for each affiliate, and then you pay them a certain amount. Or you can do something like awarding them points, which is what I'm going to show now using the loyalty system. Okay, so let's go back to the loyalty documentation. Let's go loyalty. Awesome. So let's just take a look at the introduction for a second. So first, before we begin, okay, it must be first installed through the dashboard or the Wix app market. So let's go ahead and do that first. So the Wix, I think that we saw that here, loyalty and referrals, New York City. Start now. Awesome. So let's program info, loyalty, points, name points, points icon. Awesome. Continue to set up. Awesome. Does it have to be launched? Do we have to launch the program? Can't earn redeem points and load points in draft. Change the program's status to active through the dashboard. So I think that's probably this launch that we have over here. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the program. Add pages in the editor. Cool. I think we're done. So let's just see in terms of the members area, what pages did it add for my account? Let's see. As you can tell, this is the first time that I'm installing the loyalty program on the site. Um, okay, 10% off all store products. That's nice. So it has some built-in program overview. I can go ahead and I can go like, no, you don't get any of this stuff. Um, and we're going to have our own rewards set up. I'm not sure what page it added in the editor, to be honest. Now that I just added it in. Action required. Let's see. Complete. Oh, I guess it didn't add the first time. Okay, cool. So this is just like a general page that not so helpful for us because we set up our own sign up page. But what I really wanted to see if there ads somewhere. Yeah, okay, this is what I was kind of looking for, where people can kind of track their rewards and how many points they have. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show how to add points once somebody converts using the affiliate link. Okay, so let's go to our member sign up page. And here, what we're going to do is we're just going to add some code from the loyalty program. Okay, so it's going to happen here once we track the affiliation. And let's just see how we can add some points for someone. So we are going to earn points. Okay. And account ID and options. So let's see how we can get somebody's account ID. Loyalty account ID. Add account. Okay, so let's create a backend module to deal with this. Cool. So I'm going to add this loyalty, and we're going to create export async function, give affiliate points. And what we're going to pass in here will be the member ID of the affiliate. And then we're going to use this code here. So I'm going to copy over the get account code, put it in there, and this is going to go up here. And basically what we need is just, oh wait, get account needs account ID. No, that doesn't help me. How do I get the account of a member? Do we have to list accounts? Options. I guess I can find by contact ID, but why not by member ID? Um, Maybe this is why it's still in developer preview. Um, get account by secondary ID. Oh, here. Retrieves loyalty accounts with specified site contact or member. This is what we want. Get account by secondary ID. So this takes in options, which has either the member ID or. So I'm just going to copy over this one line of code. Get rid of all this stuff here that I put in. So we're going to be using this get count by secondary ID, and const options will be equal to member ID, member ID. Okay. And then here in the loyalty account, so what it gives back is account, and we're going to need this account ID. Okay, so I'm going to say const account ID equals to loyalty account dot ID. And then what? Oh, account, sorry. Loyalty account dot ID. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to earn points. I have to say, I'm not such a huge fan of the name of this function. um, it's just like, yeah, earn points sounds so personal. Um, we're we're giving points to that member. That's my perspective. Anyway, so update account. Updated account. Let's copy over this line of code. And here for the options, let's see what we can pass in. So the amount of points, app ID, description, unique string identifier generated. Wix uses identifier to represent subsequent. Okay. ID of the app initiating the transaction. So they're kind of coming from like a perspective where this is being initiated by some kind of external application built outside of Wix. Um, yeah, we're actually from inside of Wix. Points were earned manually, then the app ID is the loyalty app's Wix ID. Wow, wow. Okay. Um, cool. So options, const um, point options, just to separate it from what the options that we have up here. And here, so we have the amount. So let's say they get 10 points when somebody uses their affiliate link to sign up. And then we have all these other lovely things. So we have the app ID, which is going to be this. Okay, so the Wix app ID, because we're manually, if points were earned manually. Okay, so that's going to be this. And I can just actually say const Wix ID. Here, Wix app ID. And what other things do we have to pass in here? So we have to pass in the description. We don't have to pass in description. I'm not passing that in. And this, I'm not going to try and pronounce this so I don't embarrass myself. But a unique string identifier generated by the app. Wix uses this to identify subsequent retries of the same request. So basically, this needs to be a random string. So what we're going to do is just have this. And this, I'll just generate a UUID. So import UUID. I always forget how to do that. um, of V, basically this just with V4. V4, and so this will be const key will be equal to UUID 4. And here we'll pass in the key and updated account, return updated account. Awesome. So that should be enough for us. And here I'm going to select this and go to our page where we were doing the member sign up. And then after we've inserted the tracking log and we've inserted the reference, then we're going to go ahead and give the points. So const points equals, oh wait, give affiliate points. And what we need to pass in here is the member ID of the affiliate. So that will be affiliate dot member ID. And we need to import this from the backend. So we're going to import from backend slash form backend slash loyalty. Okay, let's try it out. So I'm going to go ahead and publish. And now I'm going to go to the site. I'm going to log out. And I'm going to go to the affiliate sign up page. And I'm going to sign up as team plus loyalty at thewixwiz.com. And this will just be loyalty. And I'm going to join. So I have my affiliate link. I go. And great. Okay, so now I'm somebody who visited. Oh no, why haven't I logged in? It's a little concerning that it didn't log me in, but let's see if I could log in. Let's see. Team plus loyalty at the wixwiz.com. Loyalty, because we're going to need to log in later to check to see if I got the reward points. Okay, it did. Okay, I don't know why it didn't log me in. Maybe because I navigated away too quickly. Cool. Okay, so let's now sign up. Okay, so we have our affiliate here, and we can sign up. Program slash sign up. So we have team plus friend 3 at gmail.com. And here we have friend 3 join. And now theoretically what should happen, which didn't happen, is that we should have awarded the points, but that didn't happen. So let's check out the, I'm not so surprised to be honest. Open the site logs and let's try, oh no, but now it won't work because we already registered the member. So I'm just going to change this into friend 4 and change this as well into friend 4. I'm going to go ahead and click join. Okay. Loyalty.read required to call this endpoint, forbidden details, forbidden code, permission denied. Okay. Let's take a look at the API. Um, to has balance, earn points function allows customers to manually earn points loyalty to the account. To use this function, you must include an app ID. Any string can be sent as the app ID. In contrast, when an account earns points through an action taken on your site, app ID automatically sets to the source of the app that generates the points. Okay. Only visitor where managed loyalty permissions can earn loyalty points. Aha. Okay. So here's the issue that basically, and that's the way they also that's why they also named the that's why they named the function like this, I guess, that this is something that needs to be called um, by someone who by the person who is gaining the points, as opposed to giving points to someone else, which is the scenario that we're trying to handle here. Okay, that's not informative at all. But let's see for a second what adjust points will do. Okay, that adjusts the points of a loyalty account. That doesn't help. Earn points. Okay, so one thing that we can try and do is to use something called elevate. And basically, um, maybe they have to join a create account. Oh, maybe I didn't create an account. Does it have to be contact ID? Site contact. Okay, this is why I wanted to have the cool. Cool. Okay, let's try this first before my other hack. Let's try this before my other hack. Okay, so first we're going to create a loyalty account. Um, sorry, my laptop is doing something annoying. So let's go back to our loyalty part of the backend. So, okay, this makes kind of sense. If this was the issue, then we didn't actually create a loyalty account. Apparently, that's something that needs to be done. So what we're going to do is I'm going to create another function, which will be async create loyalty count. But the problem here is that we need the function. The problem here is that we need the contact ID, which is why I was kind of trying to get in the beginning of this tutorial. But we can still get the contact ID in other ways. So let's search for contact, and I'll open this in a new tab. Cool. So let's see if we have a way to. The best way I know of getting the contact is, I think, just to um, contact ID, contacts, get contact. That would have to be with the ID. Query contacts. Query to retrieve a list of contacts. I wonder if I could search by email. Oh, contacts info dot emails dot email. Okay, let's use this. So we're going to create the new loyalty account. So we're going to need to pass in the member ID. We're also going to need to pass in the email. Oh, but we need the email of the affiliate. That should be fine. We could actually just pass in the affiliate here. And this will be member ID is affiliate.member ID. And then here we just need the email. And then here we can paste in this. And we need to import contacts. So import contacts. Whoops. Import contacts from Wix contacts Wix CRM backend. And then here the email to find will be email. And then we'll say const contact equals to query results dot items 0. And this is like a special query, like the regular, you can't use the regular Wix query for the contacts. It has its own kind of query method. And once we have the contact, then we'll also have the contact ID, but let's just see what a found contact would look like. They have an example. So I guess it would be this ID. Okay, cool. So once we have the contact, then we can go back to the create account and we can say const new loyalty account equals create account. Oh, but one second. I was thinking of doing something not so smart, but now, okay, I'm happy I caught myself in time. And then the new loyalty account will be await accounts.create account, and then here contact.id. So for originally, I'll tell you what I was thinking of doing originally, which was really not a very good idea, was to create the affiliate account here with the give affiliate points. But I didn't take into account the fact that it could be that, like that will be good for the first person redeeming, but for every other person redeeming, we'd have to check if they have an account first before creating the new account. The better approach is to create their account, um, console.log, new loyalty account. You could also return that. Return new loyalty account. The better approach would be to create the loyalty account when the person registers for the affiliate program. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, so we're going to use this. We're going to use this in the front end in the affiliate sign up. Affiliate sign up. There's a lot of stuff going on in this function already. Cool. So we create the coupon for affiliate, and we can also create the loyalty account with the email. And here we can say const loyalty account, and we can also await, and we can console.log loyalty account, and then we can also import this from backend slash, no, sorry, new import from backend slash loyalty. Awesome. Let's try this out. So we're back to here, and I'm going to go to the affiliate sign up. And new site is, did I publish? I always have the thing where I publish, I go to the live site, and I forget if I published or not. Okay, awesome. So team plus loyalty2 at the wixwiz.com. And then we have loyalty2. And I'm going to go ahead and click join. And let's take a look here at the console and see what's cooking here. Okay. Cool. So that didn't work. Let's see what didn't work about it. Forbidden, forbidden, forbidden. So many forbiddens. I'm going to try and do a workaround. I'm not sure why the query isn't working. I would have to take a deeper look into it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to use create and append contact. So um, here I'm going to say const contact info equals to, and here we're going to have emails and just email. And then here I'm going to say const contact equals to contact, no, that's not a good idea. Updated contact equals to contacts dot append or create contact. And then here we're going to pass in the contact info. And then here the updated contact should be updated contact dot contact ID. Okay. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. So we're back to, wow, we have a lot of tabs open. Close all these tabs. And we're going to go to the affiliate sign up. 5th time's the charm. And here we're going to have um, team plus loyalty 5 at thewixwiz.com. And here we're going to have loyalty 5 and join. And loyalty account is still undefined. Add request. Okay, so I took some time to do a little hardcore debugging. And with most bugs, it was a very stupid typo. So basically here in the emails, instead of passing in an object with a key value pair of email, then I passed in just the email into the array. And I figured this out because when I did some backend testing, so it said expected an object. So that gave me a little more a little more of a clue as to what the bug was. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure that it should work. I'm just going to test it one time here in the backend. So yeah, okay, so now it's creating the contact. So that works, which is awesome. And then I can just turn this back on. And so now technically if I run this backend function, it should create a loyalty account for that contact. And no, I'm getting forbidden here for that. So we're getting the contact ID, but I'm forbidden from creating a loyalty account. So let's go back to that, create loyalty account, and let's see, only visitors with managed loyalty permissions can create a loyalty account. Okay, so for this, we are going to need my hack anyways. So what we're going to use is something called elevate. Elevate. And this is basically allows you to call a function as a higher level of auth. And basically, Elevate bypasses permissions by elevating the site's visitors' permissions to the highest level. So the way that this Elevate works is that we need to import this at the top level. So I'm going to import this over here. And then what we're going to do is we are going to wrap this function. So we say Wix auth.elevate, and then we wrap the method that we want to call inside of that elevate. Okay, so this would basically go like this. And here we can say const elevated create account equals to Wix auth.elevate. And then here we put in accounts.create account. Okay, and then here, instead of calling accounts.create account, what we do is we'd call this elevated create account right over there. Okay, and I don't think that this is a promise here. So let's try that out now. Okay, and that worked. Okay, whew, sigh of relief. So great. So it created the account for us. So now this member, loyalty 5, has a loyalty account, and we just need to fix this as well because we're going to need to use the elevate here as well. So I'm going to this one. I'm not sure if we need elevate for. Let's see. So we have. Let's go back to our. Where are we? Into Wix loyalty, and that's a little slow. Here we are, earn points, and this one. Okay, yeah, so we need to elevate everything. Everything needs to be elevated. So we're going to do um, const elevated at account by secondary ID equals to Wix auth dot elevate, and then pass in this. And then same for over here. So we're going to say const elevated earn points, aka give points, equals to Wix auth dot elevate accounts dot earn points. And let's add this in as well. Okay, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about this. So let's go to this. So now I manually set up the affiliate account for, not the affiliate account, sorry, the loyalty account for this guy, loyalty 5. So let's just follow his link, and I'm going to sign out here. Whoops, got a little UX issue going on here. And now I'm going to log in as a regular member. So sign up, team plus friend5 at thewixwiz.com and friend5. Go ahead and join. And let's see if we have any errors here. We do have errors. And unfortunately, I don't have the logs open. Let's try just switching this up. So I'm going to, because we did already register the member, so I'm going to switch this to friend6. And invalid argument must not be empty. ID must not be empty. One second. This might be my fault because if you remember, I switched that to say affiliate, but I didn't switch it actually in the front end code. So here in the create, sorry, in the member sign up, so we have here the give affiliate points, but I passed in the affiliate.member ID. And here I had set it up that it thinks it's the affiliate. So I can change this back to member ID. And now that might work. So I'm going to copy this over, refresh. And here we're going to have 7. And here friend 7. Still sad. It must not be empty. I'm trying again because I'm 95% sure that that was the issue. It just maybe the site didn't publish or something. Let's try that again. Friend 8, join. Okay, different error though. Cannot read the property ID of undefined. Okay, so I think I found the issue. So I went basically to check out the loyalty program, and I saw that there's one person in the loyalty program, and it's me, not Team Plus Loyalty 5 at thewixwiz.com. So what happened is that because I ran this function in the backend, if you recall, the function that added this contact to the loyalty program, what it did was it actually appended loyalty 5 to my contact, because basically when you're using the Wix editor, you're logged in as yourself, as admin of the site. So basically what it did is it appended the contact to me, and then it added me to the loyalty program. And now I can't find that member. I can't find that loyalty program account using that member's ID because they are not actually in the loyalty program, but actually I am. So that's what happened. I'm learning a lot through this tutorial. I hope you are too. Um, And basically what's going on here is that we need to create a sterile environment, basically, to just really test this all out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to an incognito window. So let me open that up. For some reason, it's not letting me switch that over inside of the. Here we go. So we're in now we're in the affiliate in the incognito window. And yeah, so let's create a completely new account. So it's team plus um, team plus loyalty 6 at the wixwiz.com. And then here we're going to have loyalty 6. Join. Awesome. So we have a loyalty account. And I'm going to go here back to our actual site and refresh this page and just confirm that we actually have a new person in the loyalty. Awesome. So now this person is really added to the loyalty program. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this link. And I hope this doesn't give me an issue storing in session because I'm incognito. Let me just double check that. So inspect. Oh wait, I have to show you guys the incognito window. Almost forgot about that. see it. Awesome. Um, and let's go to application, session, affiliate. Okay, so we do have the affiliate code stored in session. So that's that. And now we can go and log out. And now we're going to go to the page for sign up. And I'm going to sign up as a friend. So team plus friend, I don't remember what we're up to, 8 at the wixwiz.com and friend 8. Go ahead and click join. That's not good. Join. Okay, so maybe we used friend 8 already. I'm going to try friend 9. Awesome. Still. Oh gosh. This loyalty thing is pleasant, to say the least. Um, cool. Let's try it again. I have my logs open in the other window now. So I'm going to try this again. Let's try with friend 10. Let's see what the logs say. So I'm going to share the logs with you just so you could see. Awesome. So it says has size 0, expected 1 or more. Field options dot description has size 0, expected 1 or more. So this is actually the documentation lying. Uh, let me double check that before I call it a liar. But basically, if we go to the earn points, and if you remember here, then it said description optional. But based on that error, it sounds like description is not optional. So this is, I mean, this is also part of the fact that it's, developer preview, so things are not 100%. That's why they have the developer preview. So let's try adding in this description. So I'm going to go to our loyalty page and I'm going to add in here a description. It's just going to be um, affiliate points. I don't know. Awesome. And I'm going to publish that. And then I'm going to head back to our incognito window. So um, back to our incognito window. Where are you? Where are you? I'm a little frustrated with OBS now. Back to the incognito window. And let's copy this. I'm going to refresh. This right in there. And then we're going to have friend 11. And this is going to be password friend 11. And we're going to join. And no errors, which is nice, promising. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch back to our, I'm going to switch back to my other window. This time it switched fast. And now let's go and see. First, let's check out the dashboard and see if there's anything visible there that we can see. So I'm going to go into loyalty program, and you can see here that Team Plus Loyalty 6 has 10 points. Yeah, I mean, I'll be very surprised if there's anybody still watching the tutorial at this point. If you are, you deserve a prize. Leave a comment. If you're watching right now at this point of the tutorial, please, I beg you, leave a comment. It's very interesting to me to know. I mean, not that I don't think that watching until now would have been valuable to a viewer. It's just, there's a certain level of persistence you need to just watch somebody going through all of those bugs, and really just kind of, yeah, 2+ hours of that. So I applaud your persistence, and I appreciate that you're still watching now. And yeah, so that worked. Okay, so we managed to give points to an affiliate by having somebody sign up. And we could have equally done that for various different actions on the website. So it could have been, somebody buys a product, or somebody creates a booking, or something like that. But to manage those things, we might need to customize certain parts of the checkout of those specific apps, which is a little more complex. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap up the tutorial at this point because it's been quite long. Maybe we'll revisit this topic again if there are some specific questions on it. So yeah, I really appreciate you watching. If you're still watching at this point, don't forget to give a kind of thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week.